What's up, y'all? I'm Mr. President, and you are now investing with Prez. Before we go any further, I need you to do me just one favor. Hit the like button for me. And if you are not currently subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Today's topic, I will be going over ways that I leverage my time to maximize my income. For those of you who don't know, I am a full-time reach truck operator in a warehouse. I've been at this job almost a year now, and that's my 9 to 5. So that's my primary source of income. So how do I maximize my time while I'm at work? Well, when I'm on break, there are many things that I can do to potentially make more money or, put the plan into motion. One, I can create content on breaks. No sense of doom scrolling while I'm on my break, just scrolling through social media. I could be recording a video. I could also be writing notes for a future video. I listen to audiobooks while I'm at work. I keep an earbud in, pull my hoodie up, so supervisors won't see me with my earbuds in or nothing like that. But I keep one in so that I can hear everything that's going on out the other ear. And I listen to audiobooks or other content creators, try to strengthen my knowledge in this personal finance field. I also am able to make important phone calls while I'm at work. Then number two, my second stream of income is my side gig. I do delivery work through DoorDash and Uber Eats. When I'm not working, when I get off of work, I'll clock on and do a few deliveries until I get sleepy. And on my days off, I'm running it. And while I'm on my idle time in between deliveries, I'm playing mobile games on my phone. One app that I use is called Just Play, and another app that I use is called Free Cash. You can play different mobile games, and they'll basically pay you for, when you reach different milestones in the game. You don't have to deposit any money, anything like that. You just simply just play in your leisure time. It beats doom scrolling on social media. It doesn't make a lot of money, but it's something. Something's better than nothing. I could be sitting anywhere just, waiting for someone to, I might have gave someone a ride somewhere and I'm sitting outside waiting for them or something like that. I'll just play for a few minutes or, when I don't feel like doing anything else. When all else fails, I'll play a mobile game and get paid for doing that. My personal time, when I'm not doing gig work or working at my regular 9 to 5, I'm reading, I'm watching educational, informational content, listening to audiobooks again, and I'm playing mobile games for cash. And I also regularly exercise now. As of about a month now, I've been going to the gym regularly because at the end of the day, health is wealth. And time is the greatest asset in the world. And once it's gone, you can't get it back. So why not take advantage of the time that you have here on this earth and leverage it to the best of your ability in order to ultimately maximize your income. If you found this video helpful in any way, leave me a comment, share the video, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K, starting from scratch, y'all. Oh, and a quick personal update. I am officially back in the market. Week 2. I'm starting off with buying the S&P for right now. It's going to be primarily 90% of my portfolio. So when I get to start buying other things, and I'll give you guys a heads up, I'll let you guys know and do an update video. But as of right now, I'm just simply buying the S&Ps. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here right now. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. More videos to come. And another personal announcement. This is a good one. If you made it this far, this is a big announcement, a big personal announcement in my life. They say if you're going to do something, do it the right way. So with that being said, I have been working things out with the mother of my last 2 children, and I've decided that I'm going to go ahead and marry that young lady. Yep. Prez is getting married, y'all. Don't have a date set just yet. It's not going to be a wedding or anything like that. I'm just going to go to the courthouse and do it. But our oldest child together is about 19 years old. So We've been dealing with each other off and on 21 years, basically. It's time, y'all. It's time to do it right. I should have been done it, but you live and you learn. Better to do it now than not do it at all. Thank you for all the support. I really appreciate all the support you guys give me, and just keep clicking that play button. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die.